Yeah.
What are we doing here?
Little car meet.
Okay. Cannot do it here. I need you guys to leave.
Nice. Guys, we are heading to a car meet, and after that we'll be going to make some runs, some rolls, and possibly some digs. Data log in the car right now, making sure everything's good. SS. Intake manifold, supercharged cam, badass car. Square body, big block, 454. Run that one tonight. What's up? How's it going, guys? Doing all right?
Besides a broke transmission.
I know, right? God damn, that sucks. That sucks, man.
Yep.
Yeah.
I think it was probably already on the way out, though, man.
Yeah.
I was on the asphalt road, 40 miles, not even 40. I was doing like 30, and I just rolled into it and went full throttle.
It gripped?
That was the, oh yeah. Like them tires are awesome. I left the tire shop, greasy tires, and he had like a little ditch with dust in it. Passed through that, and I said, I know he's waiting for me to hit it.
Yeah.
But I had just told him, I said, man, they probably gonna spin all the way down the block. I let it roll out of first, put it, this shifted in the sport mode, and click the button where it would stay in second, and I fucking punched, probably doing 30. Same thing I did when I broke it. But it left black marks for probably 30, 40 feet.
Fuck.
But it was going though.
Yeah, it was moving.
Like,
yeah.
Just put these motherfuckers ain't hooking that good. This is gonna work good.
Yeah.
I hit it a couple more times around town, like just dead hook every time second gear. I was like, man, this is awesome, you know?
Yeah.
Turn around, went home. When I got in front of the shop on the side, I forgot to put it in sport mode. So he was like, hit it, they working good. I was like, yeah, they good. He said, hit it. So I hit it, doing about 30, but it dropped down to first. So it dropped down and it just
dropped down and
banged the red light. Hit the paddle shifter, it hooked, and I went.
Yeah.
Made like 2 more hits down my road, and the last stop sign before I turned on my road, I just rolled out of Yeet first, put in sport mode, rolled out of first, hit second, and then just whoop. And look, it was pulling. Whoop. 7 grand. Wow. I was like, what the fuck?
So it wouldn't shift. They got all the way up to 7 to where it was supposed to shift.
7, 8.
Okay. Oh, so it didn't even get to the shift point. Okay. All right. So I'm in the 5th gen Camaro, full bolt-on, heads, cam, intake, 3600 stall, 2013 SS, and we're gonna be running 2016 Camaro SS, the 6th gen Camaro SS. It's got heads, cam, intake manifold, and supercharger with a 4000 stall, 8-speed automatic. Warm up the tires a little bit. $20 roll? You want to do a 20? All right. Ready? Ready? 1, 2. That was a good race. Hell yeah. Yeah, he was, I don't know if he was spinning or what. So, 5th gen Camaro SS, full bolt on, heads, cam, intake, tune. 3600 stall going against a C6 Corvette with the 6.0 LS2 cam, bolt-ons. We don't know what size stalls in it. So nice. All right. Good run, man. You good? Five-0 against 5-0 right here. Light to light. 8th mile.